This is a very good stand-up toy pack intended for pet snacks. And when you touch the bag, it is very stiff, very rigid, very good hand feeling. That will give your pet snacks a very good quality effect. And also there is clear window that enables consumers to see the product inside. And of course you can see the design is also very fantastic and creative. The mouth, big mouth with clear window. And for this toy pack, there is a drawback point. As you can see, for this bag, it is tap zipper. However, the tap zipper it is very difficult to find very difficult to tear. And you can see this place is destroyed, not a straight line. Sometimes consumers may destroy this material this way, and they not easy to tear. So this is the drawback for the toy pack. Need to improve.